What is inclusive recruitment to you?
When I think of inclusive recruitment practices, they need to be reflective and agile enough to actually expand and adapt, as you said, to reflect that community.
Inclusive recruitment, so it's making sure that all your processes and the actual results, I think, of recruitment reflect the communities we work in.
For me, it's about removing barriers so that people have equity of opportunity.
Right, this is the bit where you get involved, interactive. We've come up with some potential candidates. We're going to follow the journey of these candidates now.
How'd it go?
Not great.
Why not? What happened?
I just felt like I wasn't going to get it from the start. The group work in the morning went well, but the afternoon was a disappointment. The interview section, that was even worse. I just felt rushed. I didn't get a chance to explain my experience at all. I don't know if they were running late, but I just didn't get a great feeling from them.
Well, they're looking for a fresh and energised person to start with.
So
if that doesn't scream just out of uni, I don't know what does. Mother of two doesn't scream fresh and energised, does it? It's just put me off. Here, let me read it.
Well, I thought you were interested in moving into that area for quite a while now.
Oh, well, yeah, but I mean, have you seen the advert? I think I'm right for it.
What makes you say that?
Just the experience that's required, and I thought that maybe when Sam left, it might be suitable for me, or that they'd have an apprentice role available. But seems I've got my wires crossed.
At the end of this meeting, we're going to need to decide on the 3 candidates we're going to move forward for interview. Now, I propose we have a little chat about their CVs, any initial thoughts, discuss any standout qualities.
To be honest, we could do with some young blood in the team.
Yeah, we don't want to have a team of dinosaurs.
Do you mean highly skilled and experienced with years of knowledge to share?
Of course, yeah, of course.
Yeah, Shay, of course. Last thing I want is a team of carbon copies.
I think because of the interactive session and being able to chat with all the colleagues, we could just see from the outset that everybody perceives things differently. So just having that in your mind allows you to hopefully take that into account when you're doing recruitment to make it more inclusive.
It was really good to see the way people perceive things when they look at the job, the way it has been advertised. I've never seen from that angle. So it was an eye-opener. The course, brilliant.